Hi, I'm Habib and this is the website JSON project. I designed it for Pimple Neuron Company, a tutoring institution serving students from pre-K to high school. This project focuses on creating structured, trustworthy, and conversation-oriented company profile for parents. Before jumping into the UI, I started with research and structure. Because of the main audience is parents, they need clear information, easy contact access, and trustworthy look. So my design goal is build clarity, trust, and conversion. For the mood board, I focus on clean educational visual, blue tones to represent trust, friendly but professional typography, and spacious layout to reduce cognitive load. The visual direction, balancing fun for children and professionalism for parents. In the wireframe stage, I purely focus on structure. I arrange the content flow as homepage, program, blog, about us, and contact us. This flow can guide parents step by step without overwhelming them. At this stage, I only focus on hierarchy layout and not color. Now we move to style guide page. After validating the structure, I built the visual system. I selected clean and modern typography for high credibility. Since the audience is parent of any different group, clarity was the priority. For the color style, I use blue as the primary color because it matches with company logo, and also blue reflects trust and reliability. I also make system for layout grid, spacing system, and also I set the shadow effect. Next we move to UI redesign page. I created reusable components such as icons, button, arrow, floating button, radio button, vector, and then breadcrumb, card, search bar, drop down, and tabs. This component ensure consistency and make the design scalable. Here is the final UI design implementation. The hero section communicates credibility immediately, and the CTA clearly visible to reduce friction. Each section uses strong hierarchy and spacing to maintain clarity. The pricing tab was crucial, so I structured it to highlight important data, improve scannability, and make the comparison easy. I also redesigned layout for mobile because most of parents access the website via smartphone. I also created an interactive prototype to stimulate real navigation flow before handoff to the developer. Now we switch to the live website. And this is the live implementation. The design was handed off to the developer with structural component and clear documentation, so you can see that the visual hierarchy and structure remain consistent in the Figma design. The contact page is optimized for conversion and minimal distraction. Also, I make it clear form structure and WhatsApp integration. Overall, this project reflects my ability to move from research and wireframing to system design and real implementation. I focus not only on visual, but structure, clarity, and business impact. Thanks for watching.